Welcome to DIY Backyard Bench by CorLiving. For this project, you're going to need the following 3 items: 5 4x4s, construction adhesive and 28 cinder blocks, and of course your favorite CorLiving cushions. Lay your first row of cinder blocks on level ground at 42 inches apart. Stack your cinder blocks, applying construction adhesive in between for strength and stability. Insert your 4x4 posts into the blocks. Add some CorLiving cushions, and you're ready to go. Now remember, choose your favorite color